What did you think about that, Mark? I mean, obviously they could be just not telling us their plans, but would it bother you if, would it bother the president if, in fact, they got this savings from the 20% corporate rate and then they just bought back stock and didn't necessarily put new money to work in terms of investment and hiring new people?
Maria, we're very confident that companies will be reinvesting in America, but not just large companies. We think small businesses as well will be investing in America. That's why NFIB, the National Federation of Independent Businesses, has endorsed both the House and Senate versions as well. The reality is that AT&T just announced about a week ago that they would invest $1 billion into America, into the infrastructure plans that they have if the tax bill passes. So we're very confident that that investment will come back into our country.
And that's on top of Broadcom, we know, is coming back to America from Singapore. So the president will meet with Republican members of the House tomorrow ahead of the vote. That vote is, as Speaker of the House, Paul Ryan, says that they have enough votes to get the passed. Let me ask you to walk us through what happens next and how confident you are that, in fact, we see this on the president's desk before the end of the year.
Well, so this week, as you said, the president will speak to all House Republicans tomorrow morning. We expect to vote in the House tomorrow afternoon. Meanwhile, in the Senate, they'll take their bill through Senate Finance Committee. It should get out of committee this week as well. So when we come back from Thanksgiving is the expectation that the Senate will have it on the Senate floor, and then you go to conference to reconcile the two differences. And so we still anticipate that this bill will be on the president's desk before the end of the year, in time for Christmas and in time for Americans to get real tax relief next year.
That is terrific. Really, congratulations to you and your colleagues for getting this done. I mean, I won't say it yet, actually. But let's talk. Yeah, right. Let's talk about the president's trip. He just completed this 2-week tour in Asia, expected to make a major announcement tomorrow. This morning, the president tweeted this. Nice to see him back in action again on Twitter. From the White House. Our great country is respected again in Asia. You will see the fruits of our long but successful trip for many years to come. Mark, what should we expect to hear from him tomorrow? Is this a major announcement that he's going to make?
Well, I don't want to get ahead of the president, Maria, but I think that he's indicated in some of his communications already that there were a lot of deals that he helped to work through, and we expect that he'll be able to announce significant investments for America. The president's been consistent all along in saying that he wants free and fair trade. I think there's been a lot of discussion in the media about the president moving in a protectionist fashion, but what he said all along is he wants free but fair trade, and he wants to renegotiate some of these deals to bring investment back into America. So
do you think we're going to get a new trade deal with China over the near term?
Again, I don't want to get ahead of the president. I think that he'll make his own announcement in his own time.
All right, Mark. Great to see you this morning. Thanks so much.
Thanks, Maria.
Marc Short at the White House there.